need to solve this quadratic equation. And to solve a quadratic, you need to factor it into the two sets of parentheses so that you can get both of your answers for x. Now the first thing you have to check is to make sure it's equal to 0, which it is. And then I can go ahead and use the bottoms up method. And this one's a nice and easy one because the understood 1 is here. So that step is already done. So I'm just looking for a factor pair that multiplies to equal negative 12. Which tells me one has to be negative and one has to be positive. And these same two numbers have to add to positive 1. So I'm pretty sure I'm going to use 4 times negative 3 because negative 3 times 4 is negative 12, but negative 3 plus 4 is positive 1. So these are the numbers that will go in my parentheses when I factor. X squared is my two x's. And I'm using a minus 3 and a plus 4. And just a quick check, x times x is x squared, negative 3 times 4 is negative 12, negative 3x plus 4x is 1x. So we're good on the factoring, it's factored correctly. But I've been asked to solve, not just factor. So now I know that if x minus 3 times x plus 4 is equal to 0, that one of these two has to be 0. Well, if x minus 3 is 0, what could I put in place of this x to make that equal to 0? I hope you know that it's 3, since 3 minus 3 is 0. The other condition, or the other thing that could happen, is if x plus 4 is the 0, what could you put right here so that when you add 4 it equals 0? And that one would be negative 4, since negative 4 plus 4 is 0. Here are my two possible answers for x.